Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Philips Domestic Appliances. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner, the PowerPro Compact here, with 900 watt power and 1.5 liter dust volume, and an integrated brush. In this case it's black, silver, and a little bit of blue. There are other colors on the market too. It comes with a very low power consumption with high performance, 900 watt power. The Philips PowerPro Compact has a high dust absorption, and the Allergy filter absorbs more fine dust for a clean floor and fresh air. The powerful vortex movement of the incoming air and the sophisticated design ensures that the dirt lands where it belongs, without creating a cloud of dust when we go to empty it. And this is a nice and good vacuum cleaner. You can use it indoor, of course. You can use it every day because it comes in a handy design. I think it's small build design, but it's powerful enough to clean the entire house of you because of the Power Pro Comfort and the Power Cyclone Technology 5. It's really easy to empty the dust compartment, as you can see, and there are two buttons, one to roll up the line and one to switch it on and off. That is all. And this more you does not need. And there is a filter system built in. And this filter you can easily remove. And after you remove the filter, you can wash it using fresh water. That's cool because you does not have to buy every year a new filter. No, man, that's so easy. It picks up 99.9% of fine dust. This is an hygienic emptying with only one hand possible. 900 watt power, Power Cyclone 5, and an Allergy H13 filter. The 900 watt motor for high suction power makes the job good. That means we have a high efficient 900 watt motor delivers high suction power for through cleaning residues. And there is another filter built in the backside of the device. You can remove this filter, clean it, running underwater, no problem. But if you clean that filters, both of them, you have to dry them for approximately 24 hours. The best way is to clean it in the sunlight. And after it is really bone dry, you can reattach it to the pillions. Okay, this is a big fact. You have to look because otherwise there will be a little bit too much water inside this device, and this makes a bad smell. But there's more, 99% dust pickup. To deliver high cleaning performance, the tri-active nozzle and the high suction power ensures us the can vacuum 99.9% of fine dust. And it's really easy. You switch on the pillions, then you can choose how much power it will be on the trigger side of the tube. And then you can perform it with low suction power or with maximum suction power, or as you like. The Power Cyclone 5 keeps strong suction power for long, because this technology accelerates the airflow in the cylindrical chamber to separate the dust from the air and maintain high performance and strong suction power for long. And it works really good because you can go on the carpet, you can go on the floor with it, you can use it where you like. And there are additional parts in it to clean your keyboard, for example, to clean your sofa, your edges, and a telescopic way to clean is included too. It's really easy. You can remove the bottom cleaning part, you attach the other parts to it. You can remove the big tube in the center, no problem. You can make it to a shortly dimensioned, or you can use it for a long dimension. But these are standard on the vacuum market today, isn't it? But here, the product itself comes with a good quality. Um, Entire all parts of it are really good quality, and the tri-active nozzle makes the nozzle for three-way through the cleaning action. Tri-active nozzle utilis, three cleaning sections in one go. The specially designed sole plate removes dust from deep within carpets, while the large front opening sucks up big bits. The air channels and the brushes on both sides of the nozzle picks up any dust and dirt alongside walls or furnitures. And the dust container designed for hygienic emptying with only one hand. That's possible, yeah. You you remove it and then you can empty it in only one go. Easy to empty, the dust container is designed for hygienic disposal with only one hand to help minimize the dust cloud because there's no bag inside. It is a bagless device and compact and lightweight for easy carrying. The compact and lightweight design ensures both storing and carrying the vacuum is really easy. And additionally, we have soft brush integrated into the handle. And I think Philips makes here a really cool job because this integrated brush in the handle is awesome. This is really cool. I tell you, that's really cool because with this device you can clean your keyboard on your computer. You can clean flat surfaces easily. Oh yeah, in one go. The dusting brush tool is built into the handle, so it's always ready to use on furniture, flat surfaces, and upholstery too. And we have an Allergy H13 filter system. This captures more than 99.9% of fine dust. That means in your room there may be a lot of dirt, a lot of um, dust is there. But then you can with this vacuum cleaner, and this vacuum cleaner filters the air or the dust out of the air. That's really cool. The fully sealed filtration system captures more than 99% of fine dust particles, including pollen, pet hair, and dust mites, for allergy sufferers and anyone demanding a high level of hygiene. The filtration level is equivalent to a HEPA 13 filter. And we have an active lock coupling. This is really easy to adjust to every task. The active lock coupling allows the attachment to easily fit to the telescopic tube with a simple snap, and it works a long time. This Power Cyclone 5 technology on this Philips PowerPro Compact makes a high dust pickup with the Power Cyclone 5. It's compact yet powerful, and it looks really cool. I think this vacuum cleaner has a modern and nice design that becomes an award at 2018 too. So that looks cool, and it makes a really good job. Of course, it's not to use with water. It's not a water suction device. It is a standard daily use vacuum cleaner for home use, of course. And it makes a really cool job, and it brings so much joy to your daily work with all this stuff. It comes with the cool black, silver, blue design, and it comes with the Gold Award of 2018. And this is a dust monster. This machine is an absolute dust monster. This vacuum cleaner we can use every day, and it gives us good and nice daily use. This is cool. This is the PowerPro Compact. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner, and it comes from Philips. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.